Looking for drywall repair services in Mississauga? There are so many reasons to call Mississauga Handyman for drywall repair. One of our biggest causes of drywall is water damage. Water damage is the biggest culprit. Just recently we were called in to do a repair in a basement where water had flowed down the pipes and collected in a corner of the bulkhead and went along the studs and bridges inside the bulkhead framework. Drywall is damaged now? The water has washed out the aggregate in the drywall, making it soft and crumbly, and also made a belly in a flat part of the drywall. Wallboard, or better known as gyprock or drywall restoration. Drywall restoration in Mississauga is one of our specialties. If, for example, you need someone to repair all the drywall in your home, because of drywall cracks and drywall holes from picture frames, or possibly damages from doorknobs going through walls, we can repair all these drywall damages and removing TV mounts off the walls, which also cause relatively large holes. Here at Mississauga Handyman Drywall Repairs Services, drywall damage can also be on the ceiling. This can also be repaired by Mississauga Handyman. Ceiling damages, mostly water damage, can be caused by leaky pipes / leaky plumbing or overflow toilets, or simply the shower curtain on the outside of the bathtub. Mississauga Handyman can come out and fix your damaged drywall, plaster and repair your ceiling, even if we have to remove a piece of drywall and replace it with a fresh piece of drywall. Stucco ceiling repair or stucco ceiling removal is one of our specialties. Give us a call if you are unsure of your ability to do any drywall repairs in your home. Rest assured our work is perfect and done quickly and professionally. Call Mississauga Handyman today at 416-568-3547.